My friend is troubled by the old modified station wagon seat covers. For me, it's no big deal. After confirming the production of the seat covers with our friends, we began to disassemble the seat covers. Disassemble each part of the seat cover along the seams. Lay the removed pieces flat on the fabric and cut each part. You may have noticed that the fabric is different from the original seat cover. Yes. This is my friend's idea. 2 colors of fabric were selected for a patchwork design. All of our fabrics are covered with a layer of cotton to make the seat covers thicker and more comfortable. After all the parts of the seat cover were cut out, we began sewing. All the parts are sewn together with it. I showed our fabric to a friend and he really liked it. He ordered 30 meters to repair the car roof. 21 seat covers are done. Let's take a look at the effect. My friend's design is amazing. The color combination looks very nice. Whether it's the inside or the back of the seat cover, the fabric we use is the same. We also made buttons according to the fabric colors and sent them to our friends. Let's take a look at the details of the seat covers. The workmanship is excellent. Our quality inspection department will check and cut off any excess thread ends. After confirming that everything is correct, we start packaging. The packaging is also in accordance with the friend's requirements. Under the condition of ensuring no damage during transportation, simple packaging is chosen as much as possible to reduce transportation costs. We are an all-round factory. As long as you have any needs for automotive interior products, customize any color, stitching, embroidery, etc. Wholesale of leather and fabric. Please contact me. Thank you for watching and your support. Z Seat Cover.